If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. I will show you how to create a successful marketing and sales automation funnel that works. I will now take an example with a downloadable or an online product. It's easier to focus on one scenario. In the next step, how to adjust your funnel to the exact needs of your business. I will show you how you can adapt this to any product or service. Also, how you can generate leads for high-paying services and products. Let me show you how a funnel functions before we go into the details of each step. This is a 3-step funnel. Your visitors will arrive to your free lead magnet page. They arrive here directly through SEO from an email invite coming from a link on your website or another website or through other advertising. On this page, you'll offer your visitors to get something for free. This is what is called the lead magnet. In order to get this gift, they will have to provide their email address so you can send them the info on how to get their free gift. Once they enter their email address, your funnel will redirect them to a sales page where you will sell a product that completes the gift. Here, you mention, "Thank you for downloading your free gift name. It's on its way. It will be there in about 10 minutes in your inbox. Your goal is to make them listen to your special offer now, as they are anyways waiting for the gift to arrive." You have their attention. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.